Let me show you how to make things easy for yourself. Today, I'm going to be talking about meal prepping for a busy lifestyle. You don't want to miss that last tip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're Alex. I've missed you guys a lot. It's been 2 weeks. Yeah. And guys, guess what? I'm back again to give you guys all the tips and tricks and hacks to make your life as easy as possible. Are you ready for me? So guys, without much ado, let's jump right into the reason why we are here today. If you have a very tight and busy schedule, you will need this. If you're a 9-to-5 mom, maybe you work from home, you might be working 8-to-4, 9-to-5, these tips are going to be useful for you. You don't want to miss that last tip. Yeah. Number 1 on my list here is to plan your meal in advance. I know that when it comes to planning our meals, we feel like whatever comes, we're going to eat. You know what? Let me quickly make noodles for you guys. Eat noodles and run along to school. No, that is not how to do it. You're not helping your children's health by that, and you're not helping yourself as well. Because if your children should get sick or ill, you have to stop that 9-to-5 business or work you're doing to attend to your child. You have to pay hospital bills. You have to, the physical and emotional stress as well is there. You don't want to jeopardize your children's health and your health as well by not taking good food into your body. God helping me, I will always shout about meal planning until you guys know the usefulness of meal planning. Because when you start doing it, trust me, no going back. If what you're going to eat is different from what you're going to be feeding your children, write it down. That will serve as a guide for you to know what you're going to be shopping for when you go to the grocery store or you go to the market. To make sure you plan for the week. This will help you to feed your family well. At the same time, you're going to be saving money from buying excessively on the things that your children will not even eat or you yourself will not be taking into your body. Number 2 on my list is to choose simple recipes. As a person with a busy lifestyle mode, you don't want to choose recipes that is brain tasking. Don't go and be choosing recipes that you will be making, and when you are done making, your children will be like, "Hey mom, what's this?" You'll be like, "Oh, this is Gary pancake." You'll be like, "Ooh." I love making new recipes as well, but when you're making it, make sure that is not when you have a busy lifestyle schedule. Make sure that it is when you are free to try house stuff for the house, where you can have varieties to give your children, just in case they are allergic to the new recipes. So which brings me to number 3 on my list, which is batch cooking. You're going to be taking rice twice in a week, okra soup twice in a week. Make sure to batch produce them and make sure to store them in your refrigerator, except you are this kind of person that you actually love fresh fruits. And if you love fresh fruits, that means that your busy lifestyle is about to get more busier because you're going to be cooking every day. Which brings me to number 4 on my list, which is prepping your ingredients. Until you catch the formula, we keep saying this over and over again. I'll keep telling you this, that prepping your meal is a lifesaver. You want to make sure to prep your ingredients before you start cooking. Make all your ingredients, your onion. If you're using natural seasonings like garlic, ginger, make sure to prep all of them. And if you're using artificial, all this your coloring, all those things you use to color our rice, our soup, everything, your Maggi, your thyme, curry, make sure to prep everything. Know the quantity of thyme you'll be using, know the quantity of curry, know the quantity of ginger, garlic you're going to be using. Basically, prep all your ingredients. It brings me to the last but not the least. So number 5 on my list is to label all your ingredients. Not only your spices, guys, label your foodstuffs. We have said this the last time. Maybe if you did not watch my last video, maybe you watched this one. So let me say it again. Make sure to label all your food stuff. Label them. It will save you a lot. You have maybe 30 minutes to cook or 20 minutes to make pancakes, for instance, and you want to use baking powder and you did not label it. Baking powder and baking soda looks alike. And when it comes to your spices, let's say you want to use turmeric. Turmeric and curry actually looks alike. So let's say you want to use turmeric and you go ahead to use curry instead of turmeric. Imagine that. And you have a short period of time to quickly whip something and cook something fast. And can you see? If you label things, there's no need for you to start checking, is this curry, is this turmeric? Or is this baking soda or baking powder? There's no need for you to be doing that. If you're labeling your food stuff, things will be easy for you. All those things are to make our lives easy, guys. Once you open your cupboard, you're able to see your thyme, your turmeric, your curry, your baking powder, baking soda. You're not confusing vinegar for water. Okay? So make sure to label all your food stuff. It will really help your cooking to be very, very stress-free and very, very quick as a person with a busy lifestyle. You're a busy lifestyle woman, a busy lifestyle man. You cook for your family, not only the women, the men as well. You cook for your family. I'm going to add a topping to this point as well. Let's say you're a man, for instance. So, because I know a lot of people be like, it's the woman that is supposed to do this one, label But as a man, you can as well go ahead and, you know, buy all those nice spice jars and get them labeled for your wife as well. You can do it. Don't leave it for your wife and be like, hey, my wife will do it. What if your wife did not do it? And for instance, you want to cook something and maybe your wife is not around, or you actually want to cook for her, and you went into their kitchen, you and let's say maybe you have that busy schedule and just want to whip something on the go, and you are done, and you opened everything, you are seeing the color of curry and turmeric are looking alike. Oh my god, what are you going to do? You now start hoping, start checking. Wait, I want to make pancakes. Is this baking soda? Abi baking powder? What is that? You're wasting your time when you can actually make your life as easy as possible. I love you guys, and thank you guys for sticking to the end. If you stick to the end, you are such a darling. Thank you very much for sticking to the end. And if you subscribed already, I always say to stay subscribed to the channel. I love you guys. Sure you like, you share, and always drop the comments. You guys, I noticed a lot of people don't hit that like button. Make sure that as you're watching that video, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends. Until I come your way again next time, I remain Alex. See me next time. Bye.